So I'm hoping that everyone will kind of take part, and if you don't, that's okay. If you do, that would be super cool. And my friend Kim in Orlando also had suggested something similar. So I'm going to do some Facebook Live videos when we do fun stuff like crafting or cooking, or right now making mimosas. So mimosas are cool because they can be different for everybody. You don't have to use super expensive champagne, thank God. I mean, and let's be real, it's sparkling wine. It's not really champagne. And you can make them as strong or as weak as you'd like. So right now, woo, little pop there. Right now, I am making 3 mimosas for me and Mike and Hillary. Mike is slowly getting better, so he feels like he can have a small mimosa. I'm going to make this pretty weak. I hope you didn't hear that. Anyway, so you can also put them in whatever glass you want. We're going to use basic stemless wine glasses. I prefer champagne flutes, but I see that my daughter does not have any. So, you know, a real bartender will tell you different amounts of champagne. I prefer to do about a 50-50 for myself. But that's just me. And this will be nice. So you want to put your champagne in first. We have orange juice with pulp, Desperate Times, Desperate Measures.
That weak stuff? I saw you.
Desperate Times, Desperate Measures. I don't normally use orange juice with pulp. That's my personal choice. Obviously, you can use whatever you'd like. If you prefer pulp, that's up to you. And then I'm going to take this wonderful cranberry juice that we got at Trader Joe's, and I want to show you the label. It's 100% cranberry juice, and it's like legit 100% cranberry juice. You can't drink it straight because it's super duper tart. So we're just going to put a little splash in there. Splash in there. Splash in there. And we're just going to let that go on. Obviously, I've made a bit of a mess. Hillary's cracking up because they made a mess. But we're going to drink these and enjoy them. You guys can now enjoy them at home too.